Oh, back like I never left. What's up, Buzz? Now today we have the EarFun Air Pro 4s. Now, if you guys want to skip to certain parts, I have it timestamped, so you just use your mouse on the little track bar right there, and you'll find whatever you want to see. But let's get right into the price first and move from there. Now, when it comes to the price for the EarFun Air Pro 4s, you're going to be looking at around like $96, give or take if there's deals going on. I think on Amazon they have deals sometimes, so definitely keep a lookout for that. And also look out for those coupon codes where you can get save like 10 to 20% off on the earbuds as well. It comes in two different colors. It comes in black, this black right here, and then white will be your two options for these earbuds. Now let's take a little on-ear look at these. I'm just going to put them on, and just the style is real, simple, like every earbud that we're used to now. So it's nothing too crazy with these ones. I had them on at work. They didn't fall out. They didn't move. They fit in there really good. I did like the comfort in these a lot. So this is what it looks like on ear. Let me click it for you. Just like every other earbud. So it's nothing wild, something that we're already used to. When it comes to the battery life for your earbuds here, you're gonna be looking at 52 hours in total with the case, earbuds, and everything, which is a really good amount of battery life for some earbuds, definitely. And they're saying off of a single charge, you're gonna be able to get up to 11 hours of playtime off of a single charge. Of course, that depends on, what you're listening to. If you got a lot of music with, heavy bass, if you have the volume maxed up a lot, you could probably slash that in half. It'll probably put you at the 6 to 7 hours range, which is still a lot of battery life in some earbuds for sure. But if you're just getting earbuds, we're going to just talk on the phone mostly more than anything, or listen to podcasts at lower levels, you're definitely going to get closer to that 9 to 11 hours out of the earbud. Now, these do have multi-point connection, meaning you can pair it to like two different devices like your laptop and your phone, and be more seamless to switch between them when you want to use your earbuds for different products. And it also has 6 mics in these, so you're going to have probably 3 mics in each earbud, so you're going to be able to sound more clear when you're talking to people. When I was listening on my end to people talk, because the noise canceling is so good, which we'll talk about next, I was able to hear them clearly, and no one ever said on the other end like, oh, I can't hear you, you sound low, you sound far away. We're all used to hearing some of those things. I didn't have that issue with this for multiple different people that I talked to, and those same people normally always say those things when I'm testing out different products, but not this one. All right, so let's talk about the noise canceling. The noise canceling is amazing on these. Right when you put these on, you're going to just hear the world just disappear. I really did like the noise canceling. This is, I think, the biggest feature of these. They say it will block out up to 50 decibels of sound. It really worked really good. I always test them at work because work is the loudest environment that I'm in, with a whole bunch of metal banging, people talking, just so much going on. It's really loud. And when I had these on in the office, I couldn't hear nothing. It was just gone. And when I took them out, I was like, man, this is how loud it is in the world. So the noise canceling definitely has to be one of the best features about these. If you want some great noise canceling earbuds, but don't want to go past 100 and pay that $300 range, that a lot of the top noise canceling earbuds is, this is definitely an option for you for sure. I really did like the noise cancel on these a lot. Okay, so let's run through the app real quick, the EarFun app. So right when you open up, you're going to see your products and your battery life on there, and then you have under that your noise canceling and the ambient sound. Ambient sound, just letting letting the sound come through the earbuds so you can be aware of what's going on around you. Or your noise canceling, they have balance, and then they have the strong one. They have a couple of different ones. I just kept mine on strong, which I like. If I want a noise cancel, I want it out. They do have a game mode there, as you see, and there's going to be a little bit less latency in the earbuds from what you're doing. So when you're playing and whatever happens, you can hear the sound a little bit quicker on there. And we're going to go skip to the EQ. So the EQ, as you see, they have the presets. So you can go through the presets, find one you like, and just click apply, whatever, like current. But then also, they have sound profile, which you will put that in your ear. It'll play a couple tones and it'll figure out what you can hear and what's better, like the better sound for you. I never normally do those. More than anything, I like to customize my sound, so you can do that in the EQ. So if you want to boost up the highs, you can boost them up and take them as high as you want, find it, and then drop the mids, and then boost the bass. So wherever you think you need, it's lacking, you could always bump it up here in the custom EQ and get it to your liking. And you can always reset by just pressing the reset button down there at the bottom. And that's basically everything you need to know about it. They have microphones, they have other stuff you can mess around with in here, but those are like the key options that you really want to mess with when you go in the app, especially the EQ. All right, so when it comes to the sound quality, I really did like the sound quality on these. Two thumbs up right away. Everything worked well right out of the box. If you're going to use these right out of the box, everything works well. You get a nice little bit of bass there, the mid, so the vocals, where a lot of vocals sit, especially for men, the mid area sounds good. And then the highs, so the highs, they don't overpower, they don't hurt your ears, nothing. Everything works together. Now for me, I like bass. I feel like out of the box it was lacking, so I just boosted like the EQ all the way up on the bass. I didn't even worry about the presets. I just boosted it up to what I liked. And one thing I would say is, if you do that, it won't make it sound all like muddy, crappy, none of that. It won't sound overpowered with the bass. It just gives you that little thump and a little bit of rumble in the sound, in the song I should say, and it sounded really good. It still worked well with everything else, and I didn't even boost everything else, and it still worked well. So if you're a bass lover, take that tip, just boost everything up. You can probably bring it down a little bit more, but I liked it and I feel like it worked well. It didn't muddy up the sound at all. So 2 thumbs up. Normally when I do that in the app on other devices, other products that I've tested, it sounds horrible, but not this one. So they did have the bass in there, but you're not going to hear it out of the box. So just a heads up, just get the EQ, boost it up, the nice pair of bass earbuds for sure if you do that. But all around, like I said, I did like the sound. I like that nothing sounded out of control. Podcast sounds really clean if you're getting this for podcast wise, and also like I said earlier, phone call wise with the noise canceling on these, all you hear is whatever someone's talking about on the phone. So I did like that. But all around, I did like this pair of earbuds. If you are looking to get earbuds under that $100 range, this is definitely something I will say you must check out and try them out. If you want really good noise canceling for the gym, your travels, or anything, you got anything coming over, you trying to transportation wise, you want to block that out, the noise canceling on these are top tier. I really did like it, and then the sound quality and everything else goes with it. So I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna like these pair of earbuds if you get these for sure. All right, so if you guys want to check this out, I'll put the link down in the description below, and when you click that link down there, I do get a little bit of commission from Amazon for sending you over there. So I really do appreciate it. Helps the channel out. It makes them have to pay me just for sending you over there. But I will say this, definitely look for the little box under the price. Sometimes they have like 20% coupons, 10% coupon discounts or whatever on products. So always look for that little box to check right under the price. Save some money. And if you guys like this video, click one of my other videos right here somewhere on the screen, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see all of you in my next video. Everyone be safe out there. My name is Rodney, and this was Wanna Buy It. Peace.